Stop settling for mediocre iPhone sunset photos, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to give you the secrets to capturing breathtaking sunsets that will have everyone thinking you used a fancy camera. First, open your iPhone's camera app well before the sun actually dips below the horizon. The magic often happens in the minutes leading up to the main event. Now, tap on the brightest part of the sky in your frame to set the focus. There you'll see a little sun icon appear next to the focus square. This is where the magic happens. Drag that sun icon down, decreasing the exposure. Underexposing the shot is key. This will bring out the vibrant colors in the sky that are otherwise washed out. Don't be afraid to go darker than you think. Experiment with different compositions. Try a wide shot including foreground elements like trees or buildings, or zoom in for a close-up of the fiery clouds. Silhouettes can also add a dramatic touch. Make sure HDR is turned on. This helps balance the light and dark areas of the image, preserving details in both the sky and the foreground. You can usually find this setting in your camera settings, or sometimes as a toggle within the camera app itself. Finally, don't be afraid to do a little post-processing in the Photos app. Subtle adjustments to brilliance, highlights, and shadows can really make your sunset photos pop. But remember, less is more. And that's it. Now you're armed with the secrets to capturing amazing sunset photos with your iPhone. Go out there and start shooting. Remember to like and subscribe for more iPhone photography tips.